Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have Tesla car. Might be this video is important for you. Tesla are introducing multi-pass service. So what is the advantage of multi-pass service? For example, if you charge always in Tesla supercharging station and sometimes you have no nearest Tesla supercharging station if you're traveling here and there, and some other company charging station is available there. So that condition you need to always download the application of XYZ charging station application, then provide email address, name, your car detail, and then you can start the charging in your Tesla car. But now Tesla are fix this problem. You just simply use your key card, touch, and charging is a start. How to activate multi-pass services in Tesla application? My iPhone screen is here. I just simply open here Tesla application. This is the Tesla application. How to activate? It's very easy. Just scroll down. Here the charging, then here the payment history, and top of the screen here Tesla Multipass service available. If you tap here, so here active new card or check credit status, so we can click here active new card. So how to activate? It's very easy. Use key card to charge this one. So I just simply active my card, and look at this here, ready to scan, and my key card is now activated for new charging station. No matter the charging station is belongs in Tesla company or other company, I just simply touch my card, and after complete my charging, payment is automatically completed on my previous debit card, which debit card or credit card I already added on my Tesla application. So this is the amazing features introducing by Tesla, and very simple process to activate your key card as a multi-pass services for the charging station perspective. If you have any question related on Tesla, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.